Okay, right now you are very angry, or you just angry, okay? Because you just bought the game and it's not working properly. It's crashing, and when you open the game, suddenly it just closes. Okay, it's very annoying when you open the game, and that's what you get. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Hogwarts Legacy. It's very annoying, I know, and I'll try my best to help you. Also, if you're new to my YouTube channel, guys, make sure you subscribe, I really appreciate it, and leave your feedback down below. I do want to improve my videos as well, my tutorials, okay? So what you have to do first to fix this problem, you can try this trick. It's not very complicated, I mean it's very simple. You just have to head over to the game, okay, let's say this is the game, and just click on properties, local files, and here click on verify integrity of game files, and after it's done, it's everything, it's alright. You can also go to browse and go to the game, and here click on properties, and make sure you select the game, and you click on properties, and if you go to compatibility, this is what usually fixes problem, at least for me, when the game is starting but then it crashes right away. I usually like to check this, disable and run, okay, and just click on apply and okay, and I hope, guys, this is gonna work. Also, another thing that you can do is to go to device manager, and here click on display adapters, and right click, update, browse, let me pick, and select your driver and click on next, okay, and I hope this is gonna work. Also, I forgot to tell you, you can also go to Windows update and update your Windows from here, and also from here, and here optional updates, and here you should check all your updates and click on download and install. Okay, I hope this video helped you guys, and thank you for watching, and if you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comment section. Take care.